In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate a website using Hostinger AI. If you want to create a professional website quickly, without coding, without designing everything from scratch, and without spending hours building pages manually, then Hostinger's AI Website Builder makes the process incredibly simple. In just a few minutes, you can have a fully designed website with pages, images, text, and layout already created for you. This is perfect for small businesses, freelancers, startups, portfolios, or anyone who wants to launch a website fast. So if that sounds useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger dashboard. Once you're inside your Hostinger account, look at the main dashboard and navigate to the Websites section. This is where you manage all the websites connected to your hosting account. Inside the Website section, click on the button that says Add Website. This will start the process of creating a new website inside your Hostinger hosting plan. After clicking Add Website, Hostinger will ask you what type of website you want to create. Here you'll see a few different options, but the one we want is Website Builder. Select Website Builder and then choose AI Website Builder. This is the feature that allows Hostinger's artificial intelligence to automatically generate a complete website for you. Once you select the AI Website Builder, Hostinger will ask you for some information about the website you want to create. This step is important because the AI will use this information to design your site layout and generate the content. First, enter your website name. This could be your business name, brand name, or the name of your project. After that, choose the type of business or category your website belongs to. For example, you might select something like IT services, consulting, online store, portfolio, agency, or blog, depending on what kind of website you are building. Next, you'll need to write a short description of your website. This helps the AI understand what your business does and what kind of pages and content should be generated. For example, you could type something like, create a modern IT services website for a company called Stellar Tech Solutions, offering software development, cloud services, and technology consulting. Include pages such as home, services, about, portfolio, and contact. The more clear and specific your description is, the better the AI can generate a website that matches what you want. After entering the description, continue to the next step and let Hostinger AI start generating your website. The AI will now automatically create a complete website structure for you. This includes the layout, color scheme, fonts, sections, sample text, images, and even multiple pages. It usually only takes a short moment for the AI to generate everything. Once the process finishes, your AI-generated website will appear and you'll be able to preview it immediately. At this point, you can open the website editor to start customizing your site. The Hostinger editor is a visual drag-and-drop builder, which means you can simply click on any section to edit it. You can change text, update images, modify headings, and adjust the design without any coding knowledge. If you click on a text block, you can rewrite the content to match your business. If you click on images, you can upload your own photos or choose different images that better represent your brand. You can also move sections around, adjust spacing, change colors, and tweak the overall design until everything looks exactly how you want it. Another useful feature is adding additional pages or sections. If your website needs more content, you can easily create new pages, such as pricing, testimonials, blog pages, or service details. Simply use the Page Manager inside the editor to add new pages and organize your website navigation. Once you're happy with the design and content of your website, the next step is connecting your domain. If you already purchased a domain through Hostinger, you can connect it directly from the dashboard. If you have a domain from another provider, you can still connect it by updating the domain settings. Your domain will become the public address where visitors can access your website. Finally, after everything looks good and your domain is connected, you're ready to launch the website. Simply click the Publish button inside the Hostinger Website Builder. Once you click Publish, your AI-generated website will go live and become accessible on the internet. Just like that, you've created a complete website using Hostinger AI, without coding, without complicated design tools, and without spending hours building everything manually. As you can see, Hostinger's AI Website Builder makes website creation incredibly fast and beginner-friendly. And the best part is that you can always return to the editor later to update content, add new pages, or improve the design as your business grows. If this video helped you learn how to generate a website with Hostinger AI, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials that make software and online tools easier to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.